This is the Greek Street Railway Bridge in Stockport, Greater Manchester. As of today's date, the 18th of August 2025, it's the newest railway bridge in Great Britain. Obviously it's not complete, but it is bridging the line. This is a new bridge that is replacing the existing one crossing the West Coast Mainline, which had reached the end of its life. I've been following the project since March. I'm going to include some pictures now from before this project start as to where we are now. If you want to watch any of the full videos I've done on the project, I'll leave a link to the playlist that I've created on screen now. If you would like to follow the rest of the project, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.